Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss 2 types of research. 1. Fundamental research. 2. Applied research. Let's start with fundamental research. Fundamental means basic or pure research. It concerned with generalizations and with the formulation of a theory of gathering knowledge. For the knowledge's sake, it also finds the solution to a problem. For example, a study of factors that affect human life. It's just for knowledge's sake. Let's move towards applied research. Applied means action or implementation. It aims at finding a solution for an immediate problem facing a society or businesses, organization. For example, how to control deadly diseases, or how to control global warming.